Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you download theme in Technophone, guys. You want to download phone theme, so guys you can download in this video, guys. I will tell you how to download it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your guys HI theme, guys. This where is HI, guys? This theme setting, HI high theme, and guys on your data and Wi-Fi, guys, you have ice cream. After, guys, click on theme. Just choose any theme which you like. So guys, these themes are free, so guys we can take. So guys, click here this theme and guys download option, you can download, and you want to apply, so guys you can apply from here. So guys your download theme will set, you can see, guys. So your friends, we have understood how to download theme and guys how to use theme setting in Technophone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.